Welcome to Lesson 10 of Microsoft Excel 2010. In this lesson, we're going to look at the additional error codes or indicators, or part 2 from lesson 9. The first error code is your hash not available, which basically means that the data is not available in a range. The second one is hash num. This error occurs if you supply a non-valid number to a function argument. The third one is hash value, which is the wrong data type used in a function. And the fourth one is the hash null often occurs when you specify an intersecting range which in fact does not intersect. Let us look in detail and at some examples of the error value hash not available. I have a table 18 Priya, 19 Vishal, 20 Randy, and I'm going to type the VLOOKUP function in cell B9 equal to VLOOKUP. I am looking for the value of 17 in this range here. I want the value from the second column in the range, and I want the exact match. Therefore I type 0, close the bracket, and press enter. You will notice that we have the error value not available. If I go to the cell where the formula is, I am looking for the number 17 in this particular range, and you will notice that the number 17 does not exist. So I'm basically asking Excel to look for a number that does not exist in my range. Moving on to the second error value, hash num. And in this particular error, it occurs if you supply a non-valid number to a function or argument, or either the number is too large or too small to be displayed. Suppose I have equal to, and I have a number raised to the power another number. So I'm working with very large numbers here, and I press the enter key, and you will find that I have a hash num error because the number is too large to be displayed in this particular cell. So these are quite big numbers and they will not be displayed in that particular cell. Moving on to the hash value error code. In this particular error, the wrong data type is used in a function. Suppose I had the number 20. Below I had the name Vishal, and in cell B8 I now want to type a formula that is going to multiply cells B6 and cell B7. You will find that I have a value error because I am trying to multiply a number with a string. So one of the data types in this particular formula is not the same, do not correspond. Last but not least, let us look at the hash null error value. This often occurs when you specify an intersecting range which in fact does not intersect. So in this example I have two ranges. That's my first range and that's my second range. And in cell B10 I want to find the sum of the intersecting ranges. So sum, that's my first range. Press the space bar, and that is my second range, and I close the bracket and I press enter. You will find that I have the hash null error value because the ranges B5 to D7 does not intersect with the range F5 to H7. So those were the advanced data error codes available in Microsoft Excel.